There are ideas, after which an ordinary yard no longer looks ordinary. Wood, stone, old items, and a little greenery can completely change the mood of a yard. In this video, solutions that make a yard cozier, more interesting, and much more alive. Stone, wood, and greenery create a lively and cozy relaxation area. This table looks like part of the natural landscape. A semicircular multi-level relaxation area made from an old spool creates a sheltered corner with a beautiful view of the yard. A boat with a wooden deck looks unusual. This kind of decor turns an ordinary relaxation area into a bright nautical accent. The shower area with a concrete wall looks calm, modern, and very neat. A bench made from timber and concrete blocks looks simple but very stylish, while the hanging greenery along the fence makes the space cozier. A hammock inside dense greenery looks like a small natural shelter. This idea adds a fairy tale feeling to the garden and makes an ordinary corner special. Metal arches make the vegetable garden neat, convenient, and turn the beds into part of the garden design. old doors have been turned into a cozy garden corner. This composition creates privacy and makes an ordinary patio much more atmospheric. A massive wooden bench looks rough, but that is exactly what makes it stylish. Wooden partitions add privacy and beautifully zone the space. A pergola made from untreated branches adds a natural rustic character to the garden. This kind of place is convenient for conversations, relaxation, and evening gatherings by the fire. Stone, wood, and a woven fence create a cozy enclosed atmosphere.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel.